Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The dance from Okere community is known as Ighele dance. Ighele dance signifies dance for the old people. When I mean old people, I mean old people. Ighele is an historic dance that came with Ekpe from Benin. That's why most of the songs are Benin songs. And we don't come out to dance it except in an occasion where a very top eminent person, either as a guest to Okere community or Okere community being invited, just like what we came to do in Ikenwoli, we are here to celebrate the burial ceremony of our late king, Ogiame, Ikenwoli, who has gone to join his ancestors. The dance drama you saw is based on the relationship between the Giniwa of Ogbe in Benin and Ekpe, Nede of Ogbe in Benin too. Giniwa left Benin 1480 to come and establish Warri Kingdom. In 1497, Ekpe left with the order of the Benin people to come and retrieve the children of the 70 chiefs back. So the coming of Ekpe to retrieve the children of the 70 chiefs, that was the drama you saw that was played out. The tall man you saw, that is Ekpe, for the point of acting. The man you saw that is fat, that is Giniwa, for the point of acting. So it's the significance of the relationship between Ekpe and Giniwa. And Okere as a community, after he founded Okere has different quarters. You have Odekporo, you have Ogobite, you have Idimijakpa, you have Ajamoga, you have Udumurobo. Then you have Odekporo. So these are the quarters that makes up Okere.
Inside the Niger Delta,